Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and last time we were with our Kivy series, we broke our little layout because we learned that the screen class, its default is into relative layout. So this video we are going to be learning how to fix all our hard work that we did with our layout. So it is literally this simple. So this is our Python file, here's our Kivy file, and it is literally this simple. So like I said, this is fixing screens and setting our screen to a box layout because it defaults to relative. So all right, box layout. So I'm not a big fan of tabbing. This is how PyCharm works. So literally you just tab over, save, pull back up, rerun, and ta-da. So now we have fixed our issue with our layout, and it is literally that simple. Just put this on your header right underneath name, or whichever layout you are using, but we have caused another problem and we will fix that next time. So our buttons are a little off, but we will fix that next video. So real quick video today, like we do here, we do micro videos, one subject matter at a time to make it searchable. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below and I'll get right to them. And as always guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.